بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Today my topic is the ventilation. Ventilation for the livestock environmental control poultry houses. Because in 2020 the all parameters have been changed 360 degree. That's why it's time to discuss and tell you, understand you, what is the ventilation, what is the best ventilation, what is the ventilation you want, what is the ventilation you need. So it's very important. That's why we make this live session to tell you, to understand you, what's the target temperatures, what's the batch curve, temperature batch curve, what's the humidity batch curve, and what is the minimum ventilation rate batch curve of the broilers and the breeders. So it's very important. So I'm waiting for my participants, then I will start. And please, when you came on this video, please write your name, then I will know you that who is in front of me. We are the poultry houses consultant, and since 2000. Welcome, welcome. You please write your name. Welcome to live chat. Please write your name and write your profession, because we are focusing on the poultry, livestock, environmental control poultry houses, that is fully controlled poultry houses, and the ventilation make a major role in this. And the proper setting of the ventilation definitely is very important, and it's very mandatory that you should know the basic recommendations of the climate parameters. So the people who don't know, who don't understand these parameters, they will hit their flock. So for the well-being of the bird, the environment should be as per the latest parameters, latest phenomena. Thank you very much to join us. And thank you very much. And please, my email address is already in my introduction. You will write the email and let me know that when is the good time to talk with you. Specific on the ventilation, because we are the masters of ventilation, we are the doctor of ventilation. Our company HICO is working in this field from last 5 years. And before I have a hands-on experience of 15 years, I did a very master jobs in this field. I was the head of department in HICO-Poultry and Islamabad farms, very best companies in Pakistan, very renewable systems, and they are adopting latest and modern systems for their farms. That's why I got a lot of knowledge from them, and I got on job training from Pakistan and also from Germany, from Denmark, from Holland, and in Gulf area. So ventilation make a very major role. What is the major task of the ventilation system? The primary goal of the ventilation is the temperature control. After that, the control the parameters of the humidity, and then you should have a right air speed at the bird levels for the well-being of the bird. So thank you very much. I will wait your emails and write me which is the best time for talk to you.